Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on this GE top load washing machine. My customers complain is that the drain pump is leaking. They say that it's leaking. She did a little bit research and found out that she thought that the drain pump was leaking. So I came here and I saw a little bit of damage on the drain pump, on the side of the drain pump here. It's leaking from here. And this is the new drain pump. The part number is WH23X42. I'm replacing this drain pump today. Customer really wanted to replace this drain pump because this is one of those older units. It's super heavy. To move this unit from here out, customer has to disconnect the water line or move the water boiler or water heater in order to take this washer out. So I found a part for her. That was the last part the parts distribution sold for me, and they sold one of these couple years ago. They don't make these units anymore. The parts are kind of hard to get, so here I'm gonna show you how it works, how it looks. This is the motor that holds this area of the pump in place and spins it. So there's that screw holding it in place, that screw. I'm gonna open that, but before I do that I have to disconnect these two pipes, this one and that one, and then there's two more there, one here, one at the back. This is also held by bigger size screws in there, over there. It's also hold by a screw in there. I'm going to open one screw. You can see from the bottom, it's that screw, and at the back there it's this screw. This screw I'm going to open and we need a small ratchet, and we need 5/16 drill bit. So I will open this one first. I kind of open it already, but I'm just showing you how to open it. Here the screw came out, one, and then there's one on another side. Here's the second screw, and I'm gonna open that side screw. I think it's a 1/4 inch, 1x4. I don't have to open this screw all the way. I just wanna lose it a little bit so I can slide this out. So here, this comes out like that, and I got this plier. With the plier I'm gonna open this one first. It's leaking a little bit water. It's okay because the water drains into the bottom of the basement where there's a hole, drainage hole, one, and then there's another one. Make sure your washing machine is also unplugged. The water actually flows also on top of the motor. It's not a very good way to do it, but I had no choice. Or you can just keep couple small towels with you, so bigger size towels, so it's gonna drain all the water, or vacuum all the water out from the drain hose before you install this part. That way it's not gonna leak, so it's okay. And there's this hose. I'm gonna have the last part. Okay, there's actually one screw all the way to the back, which is really hard to open, but hopefully I would be able. I thought there's only two, but no, there's three. The last screw, and then and the pump is out. Here's the hole in the pump. That's the hole that it was leaking water, and here's the new one. They look similar. They look exactly the same thing. So the way I uninstall it, I'm gonna install it back in, but I know that the last screw closer to the front hole over there would give me a problem. Worst case, I'm gonna tilt this washer to its back, and then I will replace this last screw, because the last screw goes here. Let me see. One screw goes here, one goes here, and one goes there, the last. So if I cannot put this back in easily, I'm gonna tilt it and I will work on it from the bottom. Hopefully you guys learned something from this, and if you guys have any question, please comment on my YouTube channel. Thank you.